What if I told you that I thought Bigfoot was complete BS until this weekend when I went to the Ohio Bigfoot Conference and learned about a scientist who spent a lot of his career researching Bigfoot and the possibility of it actually being true? This is Cliff Brackman. He's a Bigfoot field researcher. He was at the Ohio Bigfoot Conference and did a whole hour-long speaking engagement talking about a scientist who has now passed away named Jeffrey Meldrum. And before Cliff talked about it, I didn't even know about this guy. Mind you, I hadn't done much research on Bigfoot because, well, I didn't really believe. This is Dr. Jeffrey Meldrum. He is the scientist I was actually speaking of. He's an anthropologist and also studies in bipedalism in human, which is the study of basically walking erect on 2 feet, right? Well, Cliff did this whole thing about how he talked about Jeffrey's career and how all the different casting of footprints that he had, he believed that Bigfoot could be true. Now, I'm not saying Bigfoot's real, but I can explain a lot of the stuff that I learned this weekend, or at least this part of it. Now, here's one of the Bigfoot footprints casting from a track that was found in Oregon in 1986. If you go to Cliff Brackman's website, you can actually go to the museum and you can check out all the different database for footprints. Now, some of them are actually obviously hoax that's been omitted by a lot of these researchers because people put on this thing called stompers, which is like a wooden pallet that you walk around and leave footprints. But as far as Jeffrey Meldrum was talking about or had done research on, and Cliff was telling us all about it, is that some of these footprints have basically anatomically correct positioning of the footprints, of the pads, that it would be so hard to fake it, or you would have to have extreme knowledge and be like an anthropologist or learn about bipedalism in humans in order to be able to cross-reference this and make these phony footprints.